Sending people straight to your affiliate links often misses a big opportunity. You can capture emails first and still promote products successfully. One simple way to start is by offering a freebie like a checklist on a landing page in exchange for emails. Then, include your affiliate link inside the freebie or follow up emails. A lot of beginners send traffic directly to affiliate links and miss out on building an email list. By creating a landing page and offering a freebie in exchange for emails, you capture leads first. After that, you can share your affiliate product inside the freebie or in follow up emails, which makes your campaigns more effective. If you want to speed things up, the AI Faceless List Builder gives you ready-made faceless funnel templates and AI-generated email prompts so you can launch campaigns faster and focus on growing your list and promoting products without the guesswork. For less than $20, the AI Faceless List Builder gives you everything you need to start capturing emails and promoting affiliate products the right way without showing your face. Check the link in the description to get started today.